Hello, I'm back for another food product review for you today. This time about these vanilla flavored marshmallows. It says since 1851, wedel. I cannot read Polish. It's a Polish product from Poland. Net weight 380 grams, 13.4 ounces. Original wedel chocolate. Look at that, it's chocolate. It's marshmallow with chocolate around it. Chocolate covered marshmallow. It says delicate, soft vanilla flavored marshmallow, covered in chocolate. I already tried some. See the vanilla beans and the flour? I'll read you the ingredients and I'll show you the nutrition facts. It has 2 of these packs in one box. Look at it. That's what it looks like. Beautiful. It says wedel in the back. You see? Let's open it. Look at that. Now how many pieces does it have in there? Let's go see. 6. 6 pieces in one. 6, 12, 18, 18 altogether. So, I already tried some, like I said. So, but I guess you haven't had any yet. Here, go ahead, take some. You're welcome. How do you like it? Yeah, that's what I thought. They're not quite as sweet. I mean, the chocolate is kind of more of a dark chocolate. Like bitter chocolate, not like the regular milk chocolate. Yeah. You like the marshmallow in there? It says dark chocolate, 28%, which is sugar, cocoa mass, cocoa butter, milk fat, emulsifiers, soy lecithin, and polyglycerol, polyresinolate, and flavoring. Sugar, glucose syrup, butter, sweetened condensed milk, invert sugar solution, dried egg white, and gelling agent agar. Acidity regulator, citric acid preservative, potassium sorbate, flavoring, natural vanilla flavoring. Dark chocolate, cocoa solids, 47% minimum, contains milk, eggs, soya, may contain peanuts, nuts, cereals. Yeah. Marshmallow. Chocolate covered marshmallow. At first it wasn't sweet enough for me. It's like the more I eat, the more I want another one. The more I like it, I mean. And the more I want another one. Delicious, pretty good. It actually says for the Canadian market here. Let me show you. In French, I guess. And here for the US market. It's Lotte Wedel. They give the nutrition facts for 3 pieces, 32 gram. Servings per container, 11. I thought there were 18 in there. Oh, I guess they mean divided between the 2 containers with the serving size 3 pieces. Calories 150. Calories from fat 70. Total fat 7 gram. Saturated fat 4.5 gram. Trans fat 0 gram. Cholesterol 10 milligram. Sodium 5 milligram. Total carbohydrate 19 gram. Dietary fiber less than 1 gram. Sugar 6 gram. Protein less than 1 gram. Actually, I just realized they're outdated. Today's 29/10. They're good. It says store in cool, dry place. Actually, I'm almost out of memory stick. I want to say goodbye. I hope you enjoyed another food product review from me today. Till next time. Till soon, I hope. Bye. It actually says open here, you see. I opened it on the other side, but that's okay. And I'm cutting this open to show you what it says in there. Let me show you. I only have a few seconds of memory stick left, otherwise I'd be reading it to you. Goodbye. I hope you enjoyed it. Bye again.